Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Guys, if you replace timing belt or timing chain and your car doesn't start, this is the video for you guys. In today's video we'll walk you through the steps after timing belt replacement or timing chain, what you need to do to make sure that everything's correct, guys, and that if your car doesn't start, we'll show you what the trick is and how to make it start faster. Because it could be very stressful. You probably think, okay, the car jumped the timing, something's wrong. No, sometimes it's something very simple. Stay with us, we will share that with you guys. We will have more than 200 videos on every vehicle we get at the shop, because our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. So let me explain now. We have that Chevy Cruze here, guys. We did timing belt replacement. Haven't started the car yet. Okay, you can see even the battery is not connected. Few things that you need to always double check. Okay, stay with us and we'll share them with you. So you have to make sure you have engine oil, guys. Always never forget to put oil in your car, because you're in a hurry. Okay, if you drain the oil, sometimes you need to do that for a timing chain. For timing belt, not always. But for timing chain, you will need to drain the oil and you may forget to put some. So, oil, not to forget. Second, guys, make sure that you have coolant. Okay, you need to add coolant, because often on the timing belt you will have a water pump. Okay, it will be timing belt driven water pump or a timing chain driven water pump, and most of you, I know, will replace the water pump at the same time, because who wants to do the job twice, right? That's very expensive job and very time consuming. So okay, do that the same time, guys. So make sure you have coolant, you have oil. You have to make sure that you have all the wiring connected. Make sure everything is good here. Also the VVT solenoids, if you have on a vehicle, that's the variable timing. Okay, make sure that the wires are installed, and in some cases you will need to disconnect your fuel line. Okay, fuel line, especially on the timing chain driven vehicles or the V6, V8 engines, 4 cylinders, not so much. This one you can do it without removing the fuel line, but we actually upgraded our gaskets on the intake, so we remove that as well. So let me show you guys, okay, what we need to do now. Next, guys, you will need to connect your car battery. Connecting is very important. Connect the positive first, negative second. Now, in some cases you will need to remove alternators. Okay, the alternator is right here, and if you guys okay, got the wires loose on the alternator, it's super important to make sure everything's tight on the back, because we have a huge positive wire running from the alternator to the battery, and if that wire is not connected to the alternator and touches somewhere on the body and you connect your car battery, you can, guys, catch on fire. So let's go ahead, okay, fingers crossed, and see if that thing will start now. So let's go inside, guys. This is the first time that we started. Hopefully the battery is still charged, because it's been sitting quite a while in the shop. Now, a few tricks, guys. Okay, a few tricks. If your car doesn't want to start, okay, let me explain to you guys, okay, what you can do. So, turn the ignition, guys, on. You will hear your fuel pump running, then it stops. Then you want to go ahead, turn it off. Turn it on. You'll hear the pump pumping a few times, because the car probably doesn't have fuel if you disconnected the fuel line. So I will do that about 5 times. Okay, and then we'll attempt to start it. Okay, let's try now. Okay, you can see how it didn't have fuel, right? And now, guys, everything is fine. We don't even have engine light on after timing belt replacement. So let me start now again after we got fuel. It just takes one click and it's starting. So that's it, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to some of you guys doing that job. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.